Merci, Dreamland.
Hi kids. I am Merci. Welcome to today's lesson. Get ready for another thrilling story with moral.
Story! Story!
The Greedy Dog. Once upon a time, in a small bustling village, there was a hungry dog who roamed the streets with a rumbling belly. He had been searching for food all day, sniffing around doorsteps, peeking into alleys, and even wagging his tail in the hopes that a kind villager might toss him a scrap. Suddenly, his sharp eyes spotted something wonderful lying on the ground. His heart leaped with excitement as he hurried forward. It was a juicy bone, glistening under the warm sunlight. He grasped the bone eagerly in his mouth. No longer thinking about his hunger or his tiring search, the dog trotted off to find a quiet spot to enjoy his treat. The dog, carrying the bone in his mouth, walked towards a river. There was a small wooden bridge that crossed the river. As he walked onto the bridge, he looked down and saw his own reflection in the water below. But the dog didn't recognize his reflection. He thought it was another dog with a bigger bone. The greedy dog wanted the bigger bone he saw in the reflection. He growled at the other dog and barked loudly, hoping to scare it away and take the bigger bone. But as he opened his mouth to bark, the bone he was holding slipped out and fell into the river with a big splash. The dog watched in shock as his bone disappeared into the water. He realized too late that there was no other dog and no bigger bone. He had lost his own bone because of his greed and foolishness. Poor dog. With sadness and disappointment weighing on him, the dog turned away from the river, realizing that his greed had cost him his meal. From that day forward, he learned to be content with what he had, choosing wisdom over greed. So kids, that is the story of the greedy dog. What did you learn from today's story? The story teaches that being overly greedy and not appreciating what one already has can result in losing everything.